Finding a job can be tough, especially if you're older. 22 News spoke with seniors struggling to find work and found out what you can do if you're over 50 and without a job. Tens of thousands of people commute to work in Western Massachusetts, but if you're over 50 and looking for a job, there's not a lot out there.
When a person comes in, they really want to work, why not give the person a job? You know, qualified or underqualified, you could still train the person.
At a special job fair at the West Springfield Senior Center, many job seekers said it's tough to find a job simply because they don't have the same skill sets as the younger generations.
Many folks are also saying, I just need to beef up my skill set. I don't know anything about social media, or I don't know anything about IT security. So they can come take 1 or 2 courses, or they can come for a whole degree.
Going back to school for special training is definitely an option, although for some, a lack of skills isn't the problem. Some job seekers told 22 News they've actually been told they're overqualified.
Sometimes they don't want to pay the top dollar for that person when they can get somebody fresh out of college and pay them a lot lower.
So here are some ways to try and get an edge in the job hunt. Dust off your resume and tailor it to the job you're applying for. Make your age an asset. Use it to show how your life experience would help a potential employer. And if you don't have them, develop some tech skills. The ability to use technology is seen as one of the biggest differences between younger and older workers. We have additional tips on WWLP.com.